Peru News Today, all you need to know about Peru. 80 years young and fit to drive? The Ministry of Transport and Communications have recently upped the maximum age limit for professional drivers by a decade. Was it the right decision? According to the Ministry of Transport and Communications (MTC), only 5% of annual traffic accidents are caused by drivers over the age of 60. But does this justify the recent extension? Last week, the MTC decided to increase the maximum age for recipients of a professional driver's license from 70 years to that of 80 years. The ruling means that octogenarians will be able to operate large vehicles such as city buses and transportation trucks. While many have spoken out in disagreement with the 10-year increase, the MTC assures that it poses no further risks to the driver or other commuters. Keep in mind that the revalidation of professional licenses is conditional on that the driver undergoes a medical examination and is in good physical shape, says Maria Jara, General Director of MTC's Land Transport Division. If a person is in good shape, why would we deny them? Quote, speaking with El Comercio, Jara went on to explain that the examinations will be annual for drivers between the ages of 71 and 76, after which they will become semi-annual. As well, the fee for each examination is reportedly $134. President of the Union of Freight Truck Owners of Peru, UNT Peru, Javier Marquesi, applauds the decision, noting that young drivers are the ones who mistreat the trucks and cause the most accidents. Quote, however, MTC's own ex-director of land transport, Lino de la Barrera, notes the instability of mature adults' health. The physical and mental condition of a person of that age, more than 75 years, varies from day to day. I would never think of putting an older adult to drive a bus on an interprovincial route at night, and with 60 people in tow. Visit at www.perunewstoday.com. Also follow on Facebook and Twitter.